Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all my friends are well. I am also well. Today I will show you the beautiful small animal ideas. This animal is so cute and made of crochet. This small animals model is made of wool thread, silk threads, and cotton threads. I hope you like my ideas. You will see my video and choose my ideas, make a beautiful small model animals. I make videos especially who work a Croatian. I give the ideas the Croatian working people and friends. Sorry, my English is not well, but I'm tried to best. If you like my videos, please like and share with your friends, relative, and your family members, and support me. Thank you. I try my best. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.